Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a DeepSeek account. Basically how to sign up for DeepSeek. This is the easiest method. Here you can see I am on deepseek.com, and here on the home page all you need to do is click on start. Now this will open up a new tab, right? Here of course you can sign up via either an email, your Google account, or a +86 phone number. Okay? Now, I will do login with Google. This is the easiest method they have. Okay, you can click on sign up here and then sign up with an email as well. So I'll go back to the login page and click on a login with Google, and it will ask me to choose my Google account that I want to log in with. Okay, so it is the same process. You just choose a Google account right here. I will choose, for example, this one right here. Okay, and let's see. So DeepSeek is going to redirect me. I'll just click on continue right here, and we will wait for this page. Okay, so here we go. We have DeepSeek, a new account, completely new. As you can see, I have no chat history, nothing whatsoever, and it was really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.